everyone, I'm Zishansha and welcome to Z Interactive Premium tutorial about creating retro television inside Substance Designer. Now, if you can see these frames, I will create small dents over these frames, and just like what we did on the side panel and on the handles and buttons. So only on this frame out frame, that the one I was pointing out, I will create the dents, not on the screen. Because on the screen later on we will make a crack on it like it is smashed. So I will take this blend node from here and I will turn this all the way to white. It will become a white mask. And I will add a comment here. Front screen opacity mask. Or let's make it front screen frame opacity mask so it makes more sense. And this is that screen part. What I want to do is that I want to subtract this with the outer frame. So I will only have the outer frame and then I can apply any effect on the outer frame. So what I'm going to do right now is that I will add a comment here and I'll write here screen opacity mask. This will be the screen opacity mask basically. And let's move these apart. And I will add a blend node here. And I will add another blend node here. Use add linear dodge on it. And now I will add a black and white spot number 3 or number 1. I think number 1 is fine. Same we have used before. I will increase the scale, roughness a little bit. Okay, let's use some normal value here. Plus, I will add a levels to it. Okay, but before doing that, I will use save transform so I can have more tiles on it. And let's rotate it this little bit. It will not look identical. And I will add levels here. You can have this sort of effect there, like small dents, and that we will use on the front screen panel. Okay, the frame. Okay, so this looks good. I just want subtle effect. I'll use subtract. And I will reduce the opacity of this dent so it will be subtle, not too harsh. I'll go deep inside to change the values. And we'll look for the one that suits. So just keep on trying, like check which looks good and which doesn't look good. So let's do some changes just to see how it looks like. So I don't want to make it look like repetitive, so I will just, because we are using tiles, so there are chances to have weird uh, sort of a repetition. Now what I will do is that I will take this mask that we just created to go, not this one, sorry. Uh, this one with the one that we have it on here on the top. So I will take these two, okay, put this one on the foreground, and then I will use subtract, and here we go. This I will use it inside the opacity mask, and now you can see that as soon you will apply opacity mask, the effect will be only on the frame because this opacity mask is for the frame. Okay, so you can see all these here. This is one here, there's one here, there's one here. Nothing on the screen. Screen is protected. So I will add a frame here. So guys, I hope you have learned something from this lesson. Thanks a lot everyone for becoming member of my premium membership plan, and thanks a lot everyone for joining this lesson. I'm really thankful to you all for supporting me, and I hope to receive your support continuously. I have noticed that many of you are watching my videos but not have subscribed to my channel yet, so please subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon so you can receive all the notifications about the great new contents I will be uploading soon. If you have liked my video, so please hit the like button. If you have any queries or questions, then leave them in the comment section below and I will answer them as soon as possible. And one request I have, and that is, I have noticed that some of the viewers do not watch my videos online and instead they download them. So please, if anyone is doing that or you find someone doing this, then please stop them, because this will never help me to get my hard work paid off and it will demotivate me. So I don't want to stop making tutorials for you all. Therefore, help me to get new subscribers. I will take off now, guys. Take care, and we'll meet you in the next class. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep learning on Z Interactive, your own training institute.